All right, Chandler. We're gonna do a program called Scratch. Scratch is a program that allows you to code different programs. And first, before we begin, we're going to title our program. So, what do you want to put for the title? And before we begin, also, I would like to let you know that we are going to do a sprite. A sprite is a two-dimensional image, a character that can be controlled with the code, and we're going to use pair programming to do our code. So I am going to be the navigator, and you're going to be the driver, and I will tell you what to do for the code. Okay. So first, we're going to add a title. So what title would you like to put?
Scratch program.
Okay, great.
You gotta be in cap.
No, what you have is great. So now we're gonna put C inside.
C inside?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
That's gonna take you to the actual program and we will begin our coding. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna let you choose a sprite. So the object of the game is for, we're gonna choose a background. So go to backgrounds right here.
Okay.
And for our background, okay, so I see that you're choosing the basketball court.
Okay. Basketball, I'm gonna go with basketball too.
Okay, great. All right, so for basketball, so since we doing basketball, you're choosing your sprite. So hit right here for to choose a sprite.
Right here's my options.
Yes.
Ball and basketball. I'm gonna go with the basketball.
Okay, and you're gonna go. What your next sprite is gonna be a what?
A ball.
Okay, so now each sprite will have a function. All right, so go back to the first sprite. Great job. So in order for it to do something, first we have to give it an event. An event is, say for instance, if you hit the green flag, or let's go to events and we can go over the different events that you see.
On my left.
Yes. So you have when the flag is clicked, when space is key is pressed. So all of these are events. So what you can do is you can explore them if you like. Would you like to explore them?
Sure. I'll go
Okay.
with when it's clicked.
Okay, when the green flag is clicked, so you can see what it does. So as you see, it's not doing anything yet because it doesn't have any code. So we're gonna allow the code to what you want the code to do.
Bounce.
You want it to bounce
Yeah, the ball really high.
really high, so it's gonna what? You want it to speak?
Yeah, I want to speak.
Okay, so go to operators.
I bounce really high.
Okay. All right, so as you see,
I bounce really high.
we're gonna see it says that. So in order for it to say it, it must also do it. Okay.
Okay.
So in order for it to do it, we have to go to a which one you think will allow it to move?
I'm thinking motion maybe.
Okay. Go to motion. And so it needs to be pointed in a direction. So we're gonna go with different directions. So let's explore some directions and see what it does.
As far as the movement,
Yeah, so
you could
that,
turn
okay,
left, turn right.
okay,
You could go to the position.
okay.
You go to the X.
So
Go
yeah,
to the Y.
so it goes to different X and Y mean going up or going sideways or to the other side.
Okay.
So that's like, you ever heard of XY coordinates?
Yeah, like the axis.
Yes, that's what it does. So this ball, we need it to point in a direction. So you're gonna move the move So you're the driver,
Moving into,
the direction.
okay.
All
We're
right.
asking for a degree.
Huh?
Was asking for,
It's going to ask you for degrees. Great job. So if you're pointing in direction, it's going to be 45 degrees. Okay.
okay.
All right. So now we're going to move it to steps.
Okay.
So now we did that, and then we're going to
Okay.
wait 3 seconds, okay? So as you can see, you can hit the green flag and see what it does.
I bounced really high.
All
Okay,
right.
moving and talking at the same time.
All right, so now that sprite is doing something. What do you think we need to do next?
Do it to the next one.
Perfect. All right, for the other one, it's the same thing. You're going to get the green flag.
Okay.
We're going to get the green flag. And then we wanted to do what?
Speak as
Speak.
well.
So what you wanted to say?
It does the same thing. As
Okay.
well, so I do too.
Okay, and so then you're going to point that in a direction because, of course, it's going to do what the other ball
I
does,
do too.
and then we can move it. Now, we see that it's bounced off the screen. So now that it's bounced off the screen, we have to figure out how we're going to get it back on the screen. You can take move your sprite. You can get it
Okay.
because you can see it's right here.
Yeah.
So move it down. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Right. And whenever a sprite is like not in, when you can't see it,
Mm-hmm.
you can put it on, you can put these on 0 and it'll put it back into position.
Understood.
So you can go back to the ball and put it on 0. And put the
The X
other
and
one,
Y?
yes. See, it's appearing. Okay, it's
yeah.
back. So now you can move it back down to the floor. Okay. Move the other one back down to the floor. All right. Now, so far, we have 2 sprites. They're speaking to each other. They're showing that what they can do. What else would you like to do with these sprites?
Make it dribble.
Okay, so let's figure out how to make it dribble. So first you have the basketball. You want to make that dribble first or the ball?
We can make the basketball dribble first.
Okay.
So I click it.
All right. So that would be a what? A motion.
A motion type, yeah.
So we have to figure out a motion. When we do this motion, we're going to add it to this right here.
To the weight or to
Yeah.
I bounced really high.
So you're gonna so let's figure out a motion. What you think might make it bounce?
The vertical maybe.
Okay, let's try
That's
it.
why. What is that, like plus 18 right now?
Okay. You have it on negative 18. So let's see what it does. We can always see what it does. So how you see what it does is you click on it and it'll show you what it does. So is it bouncing for you?
It went up.
It went up. So we needed to what?
Go back down as well.
Go back down. Let's see. What else could we do to make it go down?
Add another function maybe.
Okay.
How would we do that?
You mean another movement?
Yeah.
Oh, let's add that movement first. So
Okay.
we wanted to, you had it on this one, go to X. So add that code to this and put it on, connected to that.
Oh, gotcha.
All right, there
So
we
it's in
go.
sequence,
It's in sequence.
and then we're gonna add another
Are we gonna add another
to
movement?
put it back in the zero. Or is it negative 18 as well?
You can move that back
Okay.
because you're going to Y. We put it in zero to show that it's back.
Gotcha.
So now our goal is to make it bounce. Okay. So press click the flag and see what happens.
I bounced it really high.
Okay, so
I
it's
did
moved.
too.
So we notice it goes up. So we needed to go
I
down.
bounced really high.
So we notice that something, if it goes up, it's Y, right? And if it goes this way, so we want it to go down. So we're going to set to Y
Oh yeah, wow.
right here. Set to Y
Set to wow.
and add it to this function.
Gotcha.
Because we already, you're gonna switch them. Yeah,
I bounced really high.
great job. All right, so clicking and see what happens.
I bounced it really high.
It's not going down. Okay. Oh wait, it's coming back down. All right. If it's 82, it's going down. Try going upper number
Of 83.
of 82. Yeah, try going up. See what it does.
I bounced it really high.
It went up.
Yeah, I think that's
Wait. So let's go down. Let's go to maybe 50 and see what happens.
I bounced it really high.
Okay, went down. So we needed to go to the ground. Try negative 50 and see what happens.
I bounced it really high. I bounced really high. I did too.
Yay, touch the ground.
Mm-hmm.
So we know that it goes
I
down.
bounced it really high.
So now we want it to bounce. So it did bounce. Okay. All right. So so we have it touching the ground.
Okay.
So we know that we want it to bounce. So what should we try next? Because we have Y goes down. So we want it to go up. I wonder what would happen if we would say set Y to -7 and maybe set Y to a positive number and see what happens.
Set Y to negative.
And then put set Y on it again.
Change Y.
No, move that Y over here.
This one right here.
No, not change Y. Set Y.
Set Y. Gotcha.
Yeah, set Y. And this time we're going to put a positive number and see if it bounces.
Gotcha.
Okay. And now we hit the what? Green
Green
flag.
flag.
I bounced it really high.
Okay. Let's see what it does. And then hit the green flag again.
I bounced it really high.
Okay. Well, we tried that. So we'll try other functions to see what we can do. to make it bounce. Do you have any questions?
Not so far.
Okay, well, that's the end of our lesson. Thank you.